Long time no talk, and I was just record this video to show you my new old car, my new project for restoration, because I haven't restored a car in a minute, and I wanted to not only document this for you guys, document this for me, so when I do get around to redoing it, it needs a lot of work, but I got it really cheap. And I put floors in it, of course, but I mean, who would have thought anything less of what's going on here? Look at that. Somebody decided they were going to take the paint off around the door jambs, but just never painted it back, just kind of put it there. Gonna have to get some wheels. I've already got some stuff for this. I just got the car yesterday, and wanted to film this. Sorry if I'm not talking a whole lot. I didn't really have this planned out per se. Trunk's actually pretty solid. It's been getting water in here, but it's not in that bad of shape by itself. It's mainly just for surface rust. Just sandblast it and it'll be fine. Trunk's in not too bad of shape either. Just got a couple little spots on the seam of it. Well, I guess it does have the steering wheel. I didn't think it had the steering wheel. But yeah, I should have some videos up real soon of this. Then the progress as I go. The first thing I'm doing is replacing the full floor pan. I'm debating if I haven't bought them yet, so I'm debating if I'm going to do sides and leave the center because it's not bad, or do the full thing. I'll probably end up doing the full thing because it cuts down on my welding. I'm only going to have to go along the outside edge versus going around each panel, and there'll be less seams. But yeah, guys, be prepared for some more videos real soon. Later.